A lot of people may listen to this and go, that's stupid, right? That's a made up, that would never work. You're absolutely right. That would never work because you guys are calling people and saying, hey, this is Steve from Texas Instruments. Our TI 99-4 is on clearance right now at 40% off. We're all set. We don't need those. Right?
Yeah.
Hey, this is Steve with Texas Instruments. Was thinking about you guys, and I've got an idea that I wanted to get your opinion on. Yeah. Hey, Steve, what's going on? Hey, so one of the things that we realized, and I know CPAs like you guys probably work with a lot of attorneys, a lot of architects, a lot of people that have to do work at their office, but also, the economy is here in 1981, probably would like to do business from home, and that would allow them to increase money and, do more business with you as their CPA. Yeah, I've got a lot of those actually. Yeah. So we've got a device that would allow them to do the busy work that they do at their office on a Sunday morning from the comfort of their own home. Does it make sense for me to swing by and show you what it looks like? And then if you have any clients, I'm happy to help them out. Actually, now that I think about it, this might even help them organize their documents that they're sending over to you quarterly to do their income taxes. Hell yeah, I'd actually like to see that because I get documents written on a napkin. Okay.
Right.
And some of my clients, they're pharmacists and I can't read their handwriting. This would be real. What is this thing called? It's called a TI 99-4. Skip the bits, bytes, blinking lights and all that. I'm not into all that. What I do know is this really helps the type of people that you serve really get more done and make more money, which in turn, correct me if I'm wrong, helps you as their accountant.